In this video, we will try to solve the questions that were asked in today's JKSSB Class 4th examination. The question is 6 years ago, Mahima's mother was 3 times as old as Mahima. After 5 years, she will be twice as old as Mahima. Present age in years of Mahima's mother is, so we have to find the present age of Mahima's mother. Okay, so let us say M is the age of Mahima and M dash is the age of Mahima's mother. So the question tells us 6 years ago, therefore 6 years ago, age of Mahima would be M minus 6 and age of Mahima's mother would be M dash minus 6, and the relationship between them 6 years ago is that the age of Mahima's mother is we are given here, that is 3 times the age of Mahima. Also, after 5 years, so after 5 years, age of Mahima would be M plus 5 and age of Mahima's mother will be M dash plus 5. Okay, and the relationship between their ages after 5 years is given as, that is she is twice. So if this is the age of Mahima's mother, then the age of Mahima 5 years later would be 2 times the age of Mahima. Okay, so we are here with two equations. When solving this equation, we will get 3m minus m dash is equal to 12, and when solving this equation, we will get 2m minus m dash is equal to minus 5. Okay, so I will rub this, I will write it again. So we are with this 3m minus m dash is equal to 12, and another equation was 2m minus m dash is equal to minus 5. So we can subtract these two equations. So this will become minus, this is plus, this is plus. So 3m minus 2m is equal to m, and minus m dash plus m dash is 0, and 12 plus 5 is equal to 17. So the age of Mahima is 17, but we have to find the age of Mahima's mother. So we can put m in either of the two equations. So we will put in the first equation the value of m. So we have 3 into 17, that is m is equal to 17 minus m dash is equal to 12. Okay, now 3 into 17 is this is 3 into 17, and 3 sevens are 21, 3 ones are 3, 4 5, this is 51. So I will write here 51 minus m dash is equal to 12, or 51 minus 12 is equal to m dash, or m dash is equal to 51 minus 12, that is 1 minus 2 is 9, and 4 minus 1 is 3. That means age of the Mahima's mother should be 39. So yes, there is the option of 39. Next question is, a courtyard is 15 meters long, 10 meters wide. If it is paved by the bricks of length 20 centimeter and width 10 centimeter, then what is the number of bricks required? So we are given a courtyard. It is length is 15 and breadth is 10, and we have to fill this courtyard with the bricks. The brick has a dimension of, here we take only two sides here, so the dimension is 20 centimeter and 10 centimeter. Now 20 centimeter is equal to 0.2 meter, and 10, so this is 0.2, and here we have 0.1. Okay, so area of the brick would be 0.2 into 0.1, this is 0.02 is the area of the brick, surface area of the brick, and the area of the courtyard is 15 into 10, that is 150. Okay, therefore number of bricks required would be equal to area of the courtyard divided by area of one brick. Okay, So area of the courtyard is 150 and area of a brick is 0.02, which is equal to 2 divided by 100. Okay, so if this is equal to 2 divided by 100. Now when solving this will come out to be, so I will rub this. This is 150 divided by 1, and this will get reciprocated. This will become 100 divided by 2. So here it is 2 ones are 2 75s are, so we get 75 into 100, that is equal to 7500. So the number of bricks required to fill the courtyard would be 7500. Next question is, what number should come next in the series? The series is 0, 6, 20, 42 and 72. So the pattern is something like this. 0 comes by 0 square plus 0, 6 comes by 2 square plus 2 is equal to 6, and 20 is 4 square plus 4, and 42 would be 6 square plus 6, and 72 is 8 square plus 8. Then next option would be 10 square plus 10, that is equal to 10 square is 100 plus 10, which is equal to 110. The correct option to this question is option A, that is 110. Next question is, A is twice faster as B in doing a job that can be completed in 24 days. If A and B work together, how many days will A take to complete the same job alone? The options are 24 days, 36 days, 72 days, and 96 days. So we will see what is the correct option. Let us say A takes X days to complete the work. That is, let us say A takes X days to complete the work. Therefore, B will take 2x days to complete the work. Why? Because A is twice efficient as that of B. That means B is twice slower than that of the A. Okay. Now, in one day, A can complete 1 divided by x of work, and B can complete 1 divided by 2x of work. And together they can complete, that is A plus B will complete 1 divided by x plus 1 divided by 2x of work. That is the work done by A and B in one day, which is equal to, when solving, this is 3 divided by 2x. So 3 divided by 2x is the work completed by A and B in one day. Also, we are given that A plus B can complete the work in 24 days. So if they can complete their work in 24 days, so therefore in one day they can complete 1 divided by 24th of the work. Okay, so this is the work completed in one day, and this is also the work completed in one day. So we will equate these two, that is, we will equate these two. This means so this is 3 into 24, this is 3 4s are 12, 3 2s are 6 is equal to 7, which is equal to 2x into 1 is equal to 2x, or x is equal to 72 divided by 2, which comes out to be 36. So since we have assumed that A takes x days and we got the value of x as 36, so therefore A will take 36 days alone to complete the same work. Next question is, on 30th of October 1947, who was appointed as the emergency administrator for the state of Jammu and Kashmir by Maharaja Hari Singh? The options are Bakshi Ghulam Muhammad, Yuvraj Karan Singh, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, or Sheikh Mohammad Abdullah. The correct option is Sheikh Mohammad Abdullah. Next question is, Indian Standard Time. Indian Standard Time is the time zone followed throughout the country. It is actual time of which of the following places? The options are Nagpur, Bhagalpur, Mirzapur, or Patna. The correct option is Mirzapur. We follow the Mirzapur local time, which is prevalent to the India. Next question is, the Winter Olympics 2018 was held at, the options are Vancouver, Canada, Pyeongchang, South Korea, Sochi, Russia, or Beijing, China. The correct option is Pyeongchang, South Korea. Next question is, German silver is an alloy of which of the following metals? The options are aluminum and tin, copper and silver, iron, silver and tin, copper, zinc, and nickel. The correct option, I guess, is the last one, that is copper, zinc, and nickel. Next question is, which of the following places is the capital city of Manipur? The options are Aizawl, Shillong, Agartala, or Imphal. The correct option is Imphal. Next question is, after the revolt of 1857, the British Parliament took away the power to govern India from East India Company, and the title of Empress of India was assumed by options. The correct option in this question is the Queen Victoria. Okay. Next question is, in which of the following options is the chemical compound and its common name incorrectly matched? The options are sodium bicarbonate, baking soda, this is correct combination. Nitrous oxide, which is called the laughing gas, this is also correct. Calcium carbonate, we call it limestone, this is also correct. But sodium hydroxide is not correct. It is not the washing soda, it is actually bleach. We call sodium hydroxide as bleach. Next question is, which of the following options is used as disinfectant to disinfect the personal protective equipment used by sanitation workers? The options are sodium hypochlorite, calcium carbonate, sodium benzoate, and sodium bicarbonate. The correct option, I guess, is the first one. I am not sure about the option. Next question is, vitamins are substances that our body needs to grow and develop normally. The deficiency of vitamin K leads to, the options are excessive bleeding due to injury. Option B is poor vision. Option C is swollen feet or legs. And D is retarded growth. So the correct option is the excessive bleeding due to injury. Next question is, mangrove vegetation prevalent in which of the following states is the highest in India? The options are Andhra Pradesh, Gujarat, Odisha, or West Bengal. I guess the correct option would be the West Bengal. Next question is, to be eligible for Arjuna Award, a sports person should have displayed outstanding performance at the international level for how many years? The options are 5 years, 2 years, 4 years, or 3 years. The correct option is 4 years. So it is mandatory to have 4 years participation in the sports to be eligible for Arjuna Award. Next question is, as per the Indian Space Research Organization ISRO, Aditya L1 will be launched from Sriharikota. It would be India's first mission to study. The options are Jupiter, Neptune, solar corona, or Saturn rings. The correct option is the solar corona. It is the mission to the sun. That is Aditya L1. Next question is, Lacha and Gucci are the forms of which of the following spices that is prominent ingredient of the Kashmiri cuisine? The options are cardamom, saffron, cinnamon, or turmeric. The correct option is the saffron. Next question is, as of September 2020, the Indian doctor who is serving as the chief scientist of WHO is, the options are Dr. Soumya Swaminathan, Dr. Balram Bhargava, Dr. Ashok Rajgopal, and Dr. Kamini Rao. The correct option is the first option, that is Dr. Soumya Swaminathan. Next question is, Who is the author of Godan, which is considered one of the greatest Hindi novels of the modern Indian literature? The options are Premchand, Yashpal, Suryakant Tripathi, or J. Shankar Prasad. The correct option is the Munshi Premchand. That is Premchand. Option A is correct. Next question is, which of the following national parks is not located in Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir? The options are Kishtwar National Park, Hemas National Park, Salim Ali National Park, or Kazinag National Park. I guess the correct option should be Hemas National Park, which is situated in Ladakh, since Ladakh is the separate Union Territory. So I guess this is not here in Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir. Next question is, Makar Sankranti is an important festival celebrated in most parts of the India under different names. It is options are Festival of Colors, Festival of Lights, Festival of Harvesting, or Festival of Music. The correct option to this question is C part, that is Festival of Seasons. Sorry, Festival of Harvesting. Next question is, which of the following is the best way to protect oneself and others from the COVID-19? Option 1 is touching eyes and nose frequently, so this is not correct. Washing hands without soap, this is also not correct. Attending a mass gathering, this is not correct. Wearing a mask in the public settings, so option D is correct. Next question is, who among the following freedom fighters started an English weekly Maratha and a Marathi weekly Kesari, which were used as means to educate people against the British rule in India? The correct option to this question should be Lokmanya Bipin Chandrapal. Lokmanya Bal Gangadhar Tilak. That is, this option B is the correct option. Next question is, who among the following Indians is the winner of Raman Magsaysay Award 2019 for harnessing journalism to give voice to the voiceless? The options are Sandeep Pade, Nalim Mishra, Ravish Kumar, and Sanjay Chaturvedi. I guess all of you know the correct option is the Ravish Kumar. Next question is, the Victoria Memorial is a huge white marble museum, is famous tourist destination located in capital city of which of the following states of India? I guess the correct option is West Bengal. I am not sure about the correct option. Next question is, which of the following option is incorrect with reference to famous fabrics weaved under the handloom sector in Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir? Options are ruffle shawls, kani shawls, rabri shawls, or pashmina shawls. I guess the correct option would be the rabri shawls. I am not sure, but I guess rabri shawls are not prevalent in Jammu and Kashmir. Rafal, kani, and pashmina are, still I am not sure about the correct option here. Next question is, which of the following teams won the ICC Under-19 World Cup 2018? Options are Australia, Canada, India, and Pakistan. Correct option is obviously it was India who won the ICC Under-19 World Cup 2018. Next question is, R starts walking north. Let us say R is here and he starts walking north. After a while, he turns to his right. So he turns right and continues walking. Then he turns left. Here he turns left, so he will turn here and continues walking. Finally, after walking a distance of 1 kilometer, he turns his left again, so he turns to the left. In which direction he is walking? So here we can see he is walking in the west direction. The correct option would be west, that is D. Next question is, Ramesh pushes his hand cart 50 meters south. So let us say he starts here and he goes 50 meters south, okay, from the market. He then turns U-turn, so he takes a U-turn and pushes his cart for 25 meters. Let us say this is 25 meters, okay. Ramesh then takes the right turn and pushes the cart 30 meters further. So here he takes the right turn of 30 meters. So we have to tell in which direction is Ramesh from the market. So if it is the market, uh, compared to market, his position would be, that is, south east. The correct option should be southeast. Next question is, what percent is equal to the fraction of 7 by 8? 7 by 8. So it is very easy question. We just multiply the fraction by 100%. So this will become 700 divided by 8, and this will come out to be 8 8s are 64. So we have 8 here, so we can eliminate here the options. So the correct option should be 87.5. So 87.5 should be the correct option. Next question is, while shuffling a pack of 52 playing cards, two cards are accidentally dropped. What is the probability that the missing cards are of different colors? The options are 29 divided by 52, 1 by 2, 26 divided by 51, and last option I don't have it on the screen. So let us say we know in a deck of cards there are 26 red cards and 26 black cards, okay. Now if two cards are accidentally dropped, what is the probability that they are of opposite color? That is the card can be either red or black. So we have to see that dropped cards are of opposite colors. So this is simply probability of opposite colors would be equal to, so we have 26 factorial combination 1 multiplied by 26, since one card can be selected from 26 red cards, and similarly 26C1 is the one card selecting from 26 black cards, and dividing by 52C2 because we have to select two cards out of 52 cards. So this will come out to be 26 into this will come out to be 26 into 26 divided by, so the factorial of 52C2 is equal to 52 into 51 divided by 2, which comes out to be, when solving this, will come out to be 26 divided by 51, that is 26 divided by 51 should be the correct option to this question. Next question is, HCF of largest one digit odd number and smallest prime number is, options are 1 2 3 4. So largest one digit odd number is 9 and smallest prime number is 2. So HCF of largest one digit number is 9, smallest prime number is 2. So the highest common factor to these two numbers is 1. So the correct option should be 1, that is A option should be correct. Next question is, select the alternative that will replace the question mark in the analogy. Analogy is tea is to cup, so water is to, the options are tank, drink, liquid, or wood. I guess the correct option should be tank. question is, in this question, out of the four figures, three are similar in a certain manner. However, one figure is not like the other three. Which of the figures is different from the rest? So here, if we can visualize that all the three, this and this, the circle has been divided in unequal parts. That is, there are no equal parts in these three, but in this the circle has been divided in equal parts. So these three are the unequal parts and this one is equal parts. So the correct option should be this B is not similar to rest of the three. Next question is, we have to see which is the odd one out. Okay, here in this first box we can see the movement is anti-clockwise. Here the movement is clockwise. Here also the movement is clockwise. Here the movement is clockwise. So last three have the same direction and first one has the opposite direction. So this first one would be the odd one here. Okay, next question is, choose the antonym of the underlined word. There is a dearth of skilled workers in this area. The options are shortage, plentifulness, scarcity, and paucity. So we have to find the antonym of dearth. Dearth means shortage, so this is shortage. Scarcity and paucity are same. I guess plentifulness is the antonym of the dearth, because dearth itself means shortage, so its antonym will be plentifulness. Next question is, fill in the blanks with the correct option. She had a dash small supporting part in dash play. That is, she has a small supporting part in the play. Okay, so option D is correct. Next question is, fill in the blanks with the correct option. Dash children enjoyed the stories of, I'm not sure what is here, goddesses of Greek mythology. The options are an, the, or no article. I guess the correct option should be D part, that is no article should be here. Next question is, identify the synonym of the underlined word. The option is, the Vatranas are looking for a little room in the, and here it is not visible what is written, where they won't be accessible to their friends. So we have to find the synonym of accessible. The options are applicable, reachable, amicable, or comparable. The synonym of the accessible is, that is the reachable should be the synonym of the accessible.